Hello everyone. This is Dr. R.Sasikumar, Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering from RMDEC. Today we are going to discuss about cache memory mapping technique. In this cache memory mapping technique, there are three types of mapping technique available. The first one is the direct cache mapping technique. The second one is the set associative mapping technique. The third one is the fully associative mapping technique. So here we have to discuss about all the three concepts in three different videos. In this video, I'm going to tell about the direct cache mapping technique. So let us take one problem, right? Here assume there are three small caches. Each consists of four one-word blocks. One cache is fully associative. The second is a two-way set associative, and the third is a direct map. So in this direct map, so how many blocks available? There are four one-word blocks available. One cache is fully associative, second is a two-way set associative, and the third is a direct map. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about the direct mapping technique. So find the number of misses and fit for each organization given the following sequence of block address. There are 9 block address available. So the first block is 32, second one 64, 32, 64, 8, 5, 8, 26, 8. So draw the necessary diagram for each cache organization. So here we are going to discuss about a direct mapping technique. So what is it called? The direct mapping technique means what? In that direct mapping technique, a cache structure in which each memory location is mapped with exactly one location in the cache. So here we have to use one mathematical formula. The formula is called what? Block address mod number of blocks in the cache. So as per the example, here the number of blocks is available for number of blocks is 4 because this is the based on that example 4 one-word blocks. So now what are the block address available means what? The block address they have given already 9 block address. So 32. So the 32 is a block address mod 4. So the mod function which always gives the remainder value. So 32 mod 4 equal to 0. That is the remainder value. 64 mod 4 again the cache block address is 0. 8 mod 4 again we will get a 0 only. 5 mod 4 the remainder is 1. So the cache address is 1. 26 mod 4 the remainder is 2. So we can store the data into that cache address 2. So this is the address of a memory access block, hit or miss, and content of the cache after reference. There are four one-word block address. So first block address is 0. The second block address is 1. The third block address is 2. And the fourth block address is 3. Okay, so the first block address is what? 32. Initially, the memory block address is empty. So it is not available in that memory. So miss is available. And where we store that 32 means what? With the help of that formula, 32 mod 4, we have a address number 0. So in that block address 0, we can store the block address memory of 32. Now, the another input is what? 64. So 64 is not available in that cache block. So it is also miss. And where we store that 64 means what? 64 mod 4, we have a 0 only. So in that, the content of cache block after reference, 0th address, we have to store memory of 64. So the previous data will be replaced. Now the 0th address which contains only 64, not 32. So now the third block address is again 32. This time the cache hit or miss means what? This is not available because recently the data is stored in 64 address, not 32. So miss. And again now in 0th address, memory of 32 will be stored. So now we can get the 64, but instead of 64, recently we can store the 32 address. So 64 is not available in that memory address. So it is missed. Again, now the 64 mod 4, we will get only 0th address. In that 0th address, the block address 64 will be stored. So the fifth one is what? 8. So 8, it is not available. Currently available only 64 only. So 8 also missed. And it is missed. So we can store where we store that the 8 address means what? 0th block address. So now instead of 64, we can store memory 8. So now the next address is what? A block address is 5. It is not available because in that block address cache memory address which contains only 8 only. So 5 not available, miss. So 5 mod 4, we have 1. So in that memory address 1, we will store the block address 5. And the next one is 8. So 8 is a hit or miss means what? Yes, it is already available in that zeroth memory address. So hit is occur. So memory 8 is available in that zeroth address. Memory 5 is available in that block address number 1. So 26 is not available. So miss that. 26 mod 4, we will have a 2. So in that block address 2, we can store that memory of 26. Again, the block address is 8. So 8 mod 4 0. In that zeroth address, already 8 is available. So hit that. So in the zeroth address, 8 is available. In that first address, memory 5 available. The second address, memory 26 available. So far, how many hits available in that example means what? There are totally 2 hit and 7 misses. I hope you understand this direct mapping technique. Thank you.